check out a DMC 720s McLaren in Switzerland after a few words of introduction. Hi guys, thanks a lot for tuning in again here today, and today is just a very short video. We received some photos and we just thought these photos are too amazing just to share them as they are on Instagram, so we wanted to make a quick video with commentation. So that's exactly what we're doing here. Let me jump directly into the video. We received photos from our customer Jonathan Pico in Switzerland. It's a McLaren 720s, has been all stock, all original color with a few accents. How do you call it? Few of the parts have been wrapped, but I think the wrap really support the whole overall appearance of the car. As you can see here, of course, the most important part on this car is the beautiful DMC wing spoiler. More about that later. Let's jump to the front of the car first, because this one is very special. This part has not been seen too much. Here are the 720s DMC McLaren front lips, front splitters you may call it. They're very decent. It's not a whole front lip. We just add little lips to the left and to the right. We have shown you these in a previous IG story, in a previous YouTube video. But here they are now in Switzerland, and I think Jonathan took a really nice job to pay some attention. One, when he was taking photos, he really took all the details of our carbon fiber. It really looks beautiful, but what can I say? Of course, these are my parts. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think about this. This is more interesting. Let's discuss. And of course, then when we move to the back of the car, here is the massive DMC rear wing replacement. Yes, this is not an add-on wing. The whole rear wing base actually has been replaced, and I've explained many times why we do this, but let me just try to summarize this in a single minute or less. We don't like to drill parts, we don't like to glue parts, so basically when we have the opportunity to make wing spoilers, we always try to make the base spoiler as well. Now in the case of the McLaren 720s, there is already a beautiful wing base spoiler on the car, so we took this off. We did a 3D scan so that the same wing can fit back onto the car later. Our wing has exactly the same wing connection, everything exactly the same, but it's actually lighter, but not yet, because we added a little duck wing spoiler to the wing. So overall, the whole weight probably comes about to the same weight again as the original spoiler, because we made it lighter thanks to the carbon fiber, but then added a little duck wing at the back for a little bit like a McLaren P1 design. We really love it. It looks a little bit more aggressive, but at the same time it looks quite stock. When you see the car, you would not think that it has been tuned. This too is part of the DMC design culture. Now, thanks that the weight is approximately the same, the wing also behaves exactly the same. You don't need to stop it. The wing still keeps moving up and down, has the brake function. We even have tested it on a track. That is really great performance. Now, let me know what you think about this DMC kit. These are not all the parts. Actually, we have more than 40 parts. Yes, more than 40 parts for the McLaren 720s. These are probably the most two prominent ones when you want to add a few accents to your car, as the rear wing spoiler. By the way, this one is available in all kind of materials as well as forged carbon fiber, and we usually keep a stock, so if you like it, contact us. And also the front lip splitters on this car. Let me know what you think about this. Please give us a thumbs up, you know the drill, if you like this video, or click that like button depending on the platform where you're watching this. Leave some comments what you like about this video or the parts, or also what you didn't like, because only then we can improve and give you better car content in the future. Let me say thank you one more time for watching today, and I'll see you again soon with more DMC content. One more time, thanks to Jonathan for sending photos, thanks to you for liking, commenting, and also for spotting the car photos if you're a photographer. Thanks to everybody here to support the idea of DMC. Thanks a lot. DMC Life. Thank you so much for watching this video. As usual, if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please leave it a thumbs down, and also leave comments what you liked or didn't like, because only then we can improve and give you better content in future. If you haven't done so yet, kindly subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon to get notified about new videos when we upload them, or in some channels you can do it like this. Have a look. You can click here, and click here. And then you'll also get notified over there when we upload new videos. Let me say thank you one more time for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, DMC Life. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video here today. You know, we did upload actually quite some videos over the past few years. Maybe there's something you would like as well, maybe this video here or this. And if you haven't done so yet, kindly help us to subscribe to the channel. You can do that up here, so that we're going to see you next time with more DMC content. Let me say thank you so much for watching one more time. Until next time, bye for now.